Hey there, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Trip. Okay, then back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to put the textures on to the killers and the survivors if they're not on there like right away. So basically, if you got your character up here, you come up here and this is the shading and stuff like that. So right, you see it's not full shaded, it's not fully shaded. These are the little, you feel me, right here. That's that. It's different. It's just showing different views. The it's already on, the textures on there, it's just not showing it. So when you do, let's say we do this one right here, this is the best one. So I'm gonna go back to the other one. So this is what it looks like. And then you do this last one. This is showing everything with including the lighting in the background. So it's showing the lighting in the background on him. And it does like kind of take a while to load like it's loading the samples of every little pixel and things of that nature. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay then.